Right. Now, when we get the polygons, we know when you get any type of a polygon, it combined with the interior angles and the exterior angles. The exterior angles, of course, we do not have any problem. We know when you get any polygon, the sum of the exterior angles always it's come to 360. So if you take a triangle, the sum of the exterior angles of a triangle add up to 360. The sum of the exterior angles of a polygon, any polygon, that means if you take the quadrilaterals, any quadrilateral add up to 360. So I can say the sum of the exterior angles of a square add up to 360. The sum of the exterior angles of a rectangle add up to 360. The sum of the exterior angles of a trapezium add up to 360. Like that way, for any quadrilateral you can take. Similar way for any other polygon, like we can say the sum of the exterior angles of a pentagon add up to 360. The sum of the exterior angles of a hexagon add up to 360. So it is very easy. Whatever the exterior angles you are considering, always the addition is 360. But when you are going to find the interior angles, you have to apply this formula. If you are not going to use this formula, you won't get the correct answer for the interior values, right? So let me check with the triangle. First, I will start with the triangle. Now we know when we get the triangle, in a triangle, there are 3 sides. So instead of n, I'm writing inside the bracket 3. Always we subtract 2 and that answer we have to multiply by 180. So 3 minus 2, it's 1. 1 times 180, I'm getting 180. So this is for the first one I have taken for the triangle. We'll check for the quadrilateral. The second one, quadrilateral. Right, for a quadrilateral, we know there are 4 sides. So the rule 4 minus 2, that answer you have to multiply by 180. So 4 minus 2 means it's 2. 2 times 180, you are getting 360. Third one, I'm taking a pentagon. When I take a pentagon, we know in a pentagon, there are 5 sides. So 5 minus 2, that answer I have to multiply by 180. So 5 minus 2, it's 3. 3 times 180. So 18 times 3, it's 54. So it will become 540. Like that way, you can understand when you get the sum of the interior angles, it's different. When you take for a triangle, it's 180. For any quadrilateral, it's 360. For a pentagon, it's 540. And for a hexagon, you have to multiply 180 times 4. Like that way, it's changing, right? So that formula we have to remember always when we are finding for the interior angles, we apply n minus 2 into 180. What is this? N stands for the number of sides, right? So imagine if you want to get for the decagon, how do we find it? There are 10 sides. So then 10 minus 2, that answer you multiply by 180, right? So then we know 10 minus 2, it's 8. So if I want to find, I will multiply and show. Like this way, this formula you remember, wherever you take, you apply this formula for the interior angle. So 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 8, 64, write 4 and leave 6. 8 times 1, 8. 8 plus 6, it's 14. So therefore, in a decagon, it is 1440 degrees, right? That is how we are identifying. Now, in this example, they have asked to find the angles marked with letters. Now, can you see? The first thing is you have to see the total. To find the total, see the number of sides. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sides means it's a hexagon. First, you apply to this formula and find the total. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180, it's 720. So the total should be 720. After that, it's easy. What you have to do, now you add 110 plus t plus 114 plus 94 plus t plus 120 equals 720. Now it's a simple equation. Then you can find the value for t, right? That's the way we find it.